Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about performance linearity. I'm going to use a couple of our products and show you this concept so you understand it, Rate, we always talk about rate and level when we're talking about performance, especially with absorption. So rate is the climb up the hill from bottom to top, if you want to look at it that way. How fast can we get up there? Okay. Level is where we're going to start towards our journey up. So how low does the product go? That would be level. Rate is how much it gets. So, that's how you have to think about the technology. Music and voice, they have a special requirement for treatment. It took me 8 years to develop our foam technology. And what I realized is that it's very critical, the frequency range you deal with, but it's more critical, the rate at which you absorb at. If you're going to apply a lot of material to large surface areas. And a lot of times you have to do that in order to manage it. So I figured out what was smooth and what was required, and that was the impetus behind our foam. And we'll talk about that, but there must be a linearity. If you choose a different start point, a different level, that's fine. But if you go from that level up, when you're dealing with music and voice, it has to be linear. There's just no way around it. You may miss a little bit here on your ends, but the middle point between the beginning and the end has to be smooth, especially with music and voice. Music more so, because there's, more energy, I think, to deal with. But rates must move together. So we have two technologies. We have a low-frequency broadband carbon technology, and then we have our foam technology, which is middle and high frequency. So we have the whole frequency range covered with our absorption technologies, and then we also have diffusion. So the ACDA12, if you look at the graph here, that's the most powerful broadband absorber in the marketplace. Nobody gets close to those numbers. It's also a 230-pound unit. So you pay, you play. You want to get down into the real leagues and start absorbing at 30 hertz with some momentum, 35% you can see. Then you got something to talk about. Look at 63%. Look at 40. Look at 100% at 50. It's a big, 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 powerful sponge. But look at the rate of absorption from 30 to 50, which is the main frequency problematic low frequency range in all rooms, 30 to 50. Probably even higher, but you got to get 30, 40, 50 right, or you're lost through the mids. And we've done many videos on the relationship there. All right, so look at the rate. Now let's take our foam technology. Look at this graphic. There's a red line on top. Forget the other two. And then look at the linearity in that. And compare that to the ACDA12s. The rate's steeper, okay, but look at the frequency ranges you're covering. There's a smoothness to both. And that's what you got to have. Look at the spatial irregularities in the foam stuff for the two competitors. You can't treat a problem with another problem. So anyway, you got to have linearity. So they operate in that critical frequency response area, 30 to 50, 125 to 500. It's very, very critical for those mid-range and low frequencies. Everything in acoustic treatment must be smooth. You can't get too much of this or not enough of that. You got to have a tool that's smooth, that operates, and you can use to apply to the problems. But do it in a way that doesn't hurt the music and voice. That's the goal. Building insulation over-absorbs on some frequencies and doesn't touch others at all by design. And you can't have that. You can't have that. Performance linearity. I hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.